guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brandy for anyone that's new here, and today I am going to be filming a college dorm room tour. So I am a freshman at college, for anyone that doesn't know that, and I obviously live in the dorm. So today I'm going to be showing you my room because I know that when I was looking at schools, I would always look up like college dorm tags just to see like how they set them up and just the cool ways to like, I don't know, put your stuff. So today I will be showing you my room and where I put some of my things. And if you're going to college, this could be, if you're like a senior in high school or whatever, you can look at this video and hopefully it will give you guys some ideas on how to organize your room or just some things you may want for your room next year, some helpful things that I use. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, this is my closet. I have a lot of things, so it looks cluttered, but it's just like a lot of clothes. This is just all my long sleeves and sweaters hung up. And then I have my jeans, my leggings, like sleep shorts and sweatpants, sweaters, and more sweaters. So I have a lot of stuff. And then up top, I just have stuff for my laundry, more shoes, just extra like cleaning supplies. And then I have a pile of sweatshirts back there. I brought a lot of things. And then I just have my towels and my shower caddy. So here's my closet. And then on the bottom, I just have all my shoes in a bin. And then just my shoes that I wear the most. So my slippers and my hunter boots. And yeah. And next to my closet, I have this 3-drawer thing. Which just has my underwear, my bras, and my socks in it. Just right here. And then I have a few bags that hang up right up here. Right next to my closet, I just have this hook that I just have like my windbreakers and a few of my jackets on. And then in my closet, this is where I keep my robe and my towel right after a shower. And then I usually just keep my backpack right next to my desk because I'm always just at my desk doing homework. So my backpack is really convenient right there. Okay, so this is my desk. I just have my salt lamp, just this little hand that just holds all my like earrings and rings. I got it from Hawaii, so it's so cute. And then just my pencils, pens, a picture of me and my sister, and a little just motivation note. And then I just have this that has more of my earrings in it. A little elephant that just has like the scented in. I got this book that my sister actually just gave to me. It's just like a positive, like read one a day type of book. And I have tissues, my perfume, stapler, a candle, which we are not allowed to have. You're not allowed to have candles here, but we have one anyway. And then I have my desk lamp that just, yep. And it's really convenient because it has a USB and a plug, so I can just plug in, like my salt lamp is plugged into my lamp. And then I have my books and my calendar and a few more pictures and a sign. So this is my desk. Okay, so next in this top drawer, this is kind of just my MacBook charger, my wallet, hand sanitizer, some extra scrunchies, just chapstick, just some stuff that I need when I'm doing homework at my desk that it's easy to just reach over and grab. So then in my second desk drawer, I just have my hair stuff. So I have my straightener, my makeup cases, my blow dryer, just some lotions, deodorants, and then this cream, which this is my favorite cream ever. And so this is just nice because when I do my makeup at my desk, this drawer is just right here. And then in this final third drawer, This is just all my like cosmetics and extra things that I need, like Q-tips, lotions, hair stuff. And then I have like extra body wash, lotion, razors, and this is just some of the things that I use every day. And so this drawer has a lot in it, but it is organized and I know where everything is. So over here I have my bed. I have pictures, just a little sun and moon, little decoration above my bed, and then this is my bed. And then right under my bed right here, I have a 3-drawer thing. This just has some like going out shirts, just some crop tops. This has my skirts in it, my skirts and shorts for when I go out. And then right next to my bed, the school provided us with 2 dressers each. Just have like my duffel bag and just this, my Steve Madden backpack and an extension cord because I have my fan right next to my bed. And then in these drawers, in the first drawer, I just have all my long sleeve shirts. And then in my second drawer, I have all my short sleeve shirts. So it's really convenient just to have all my shirts in this drawer. Just in this drawer with all my sweatshirts, this is just my sweatshirt drawer. And this top one also has more sweatshirts. So yes, I have a lot of sweatshirts, but they're really just convenient because they're so comfy and I'm always wearing sweatshirts. So then right next to my bed, I have my fan and my hamper. And then I have just this little bead and then just this little cute cup that Tori got me, my roommate. Flowers, our speaker, and we have an air conditioner in our room. So that's in the window. And I have this remote that sits next to my bed because me and Danielle are very lazy at night. So we can just point it and it shuts off and it has a bunch of settings so it like blinks but yeah, I would never want to lay in that setting, so we just keep it on this straight one. Okay, and over here we have our TV and Danielle's desk. So then we have our microwave and just our coffee and hot chocolate, and then our fridge. And then next to this is Danielle's dresser, but we made it a snack dresser, so I'll show you. Drawer, so oatmeal granola bars and just like peanut butter, rice cakes, and just snacks for me and Danielle. And then on the bottom I have all my waters. I felt like it was easier to take them out of the case with my applesauces. So then also under Danielle's bed we have another snack dresser, and it just has some more snacks for us. It has snacks in it too. And then she also just has 3 drawers under her bed also. This is Danielle's closet. Oh, and also me and Danielle got these, but they don't really fit in any of our snack drawers. So they're just gonna have to sit on this dresser until we find a spot for it because it's just a huge thing of cup of noodles that my dad got us from BJ's. And then also over here we have this bottle that my sister made me and Danielle. Okay, so that was the end of my college dorm room tour. That is what my room looks like at school. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos. And if you guys have any other video suggestions, like, I don't know, anything about college, like, or if you wanted to see like a day in the life as a college student, or like college essentials, or how to pack for college, or tips on being a freshman at college, please comment down below. I'd be gladly to do some of those videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.